to your partner, and now I will show you how I clap out those words, and then you can compare the way I do it with the way you and your partner did it. This is how I do it. Happy, happy, happiness, happiness, library, library, librarian, librarian, pronounces, pronounces, pronunciation, pronunciation, phonology, phonology, phonological, phonological. Now, we're going to use rubber bands. All right, now we're going to use rubber bands to help emphasize vowel length. All right, now remember I told you that stressed syllables are stronger, clearer, higher, and longer than vowels that are not stressed. So in order for us to feel the length, we can use a rubber band because we want to make sure that you don't confuse strength and loudness with length. For example, I can speak very loudly on the stressed syllables like I'm doing right now, but I'm not making them longer. Do you see the difference? Can you hear the difference? Because some people say they're stressing the syllable, they think so, but they're making it louder but not longer. Now, there are several ways to hold the rubber band. Some people like to hold the rubber band in just one hand and do like so. Some people like to do these fingers and go like so. And some people like to use their thumbs and go like so. Is there a right way or a wrong way? No. You can do whichever way you feel most comfortable, okay? So I'll probably go like this, but if you prefer to do like this, or you prefer to do like this, it's okay with me. Just don't do this. Okay? All right. So let's go back to our word list, and we'll say these words really feeling the length of the vowel sound. Now, why do I say vowel sound? Vowels are always voiced. Yeah. But consonants are not always voiced. For example, shoe. If I say the word shoe and I lengthen the vowel shoe, it's a vowel. But I don't want to lengthen the consonant and say shh, ooh, right? So I put the vowel, make that one long. Because the vowel is the thing that carries the pitch changes. So the vowels carry the pitch change and rhythm, right? So that's why we're lengthening the vowels. So this way I'm going to go English, English, instructor, instructor, curriculum, curriculum, language, language, common, common, community, community, important, important, positive, positive, happy, happy, happiness, Librarian.
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 Pronounces.
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 Pronunciation.
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 Phonology.
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 Phonological.
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 Very nice, right? You're stretching. Do you feel a sensation as you're pulling the rubber band? You feel a sensation that you're vocalizing longer here? Nice. Okay, now, one of the things about this is to notice, as I've said before, that sometimes members of the same word family look a little similar, but they sound a little different. For example, we say library with a stress on the first syllable, but we say librarian with a stress on the second syllable. So a librarian works in a library, right? Can you say that? A librarian works in a library. A librarian works in a library. Right. Okay. Okay. How about if we say this? Oh, she pronounces well. Her pronunciation is wonderful. She pronounces well, right? Her pronunciation is very good. Try that. Good. Yeah. All right. How about words like phonology? If you're interested in phonology, then you want to be aware of phonological rules and phonological changes and phonological patterns. Right? So you can see on the page, they look very similar. They're related. They're siblings. And yet, they're a little bit different. Just like my brother and myself, my sister and me. You know? They're a little bit different. We're not exactly like cookie cutter same. We also know that we have patterns that are useful for you to learn and explain to your students. For example, biology.
Biology.
Biological.
Biological.
Psychology.
Psychology.
Psychological.
Psychological.
Geology.
Geology.
Geological.
Geological.
All right, so if I say biology, that's a science of living things, right? What's the adjective? Say it. Show me. Biological? Biological? You biological? No, biological. Okay, how about the study of Earth? The study of Earth is geology.
Geology.
And what is the adjective? Perfect, you got it. Everything is logical. So anything is logical. So follow that pattern. And the other pattern is ology. So ology, anything ology, and anything logical. So we have a stress shift, but it's a pattern that occurs with all words like that. Okay? Also, onomy, like the study of planets, is what? Astronomy.
Astronomy.
And the adjective is astronomical.
Astronomical.
How about the study of money and changes in funding and finance? Economy. And what can we say for the adjective? Yes, that's right. Economical. Okay, so when you are speaking, try to be careful not to do this. Economical studies about talking about the economy, because I can say with a very good consonants and very good vowels, but I'm not very good on stress and lengthening the vowel. Which vowel do I want to lengthen? The vowel in the stressed syllable. Remember that, okay? Which one? The vowel in the stressed syllable. That's the one that's longer than the others, right? Okay, practice these words with your friend.